In this tutorial, I will show you how to merge two Canva documents into one quickly and easily. First, open Canva and log in. Go to your projects and open the first document you want to combine. Next, scroll to the bottom of the editor and click Grid View. This shows all pages in a thumbnail layout. Now, select the pages you want to move. You can click the first page, then hold the Shift key and click the last page to select multiple pages at once. You can also select pages one by one if needed. Once selected, right-click and choose Copy, or use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now open your second document in another tab. Go into Grid View in this document as well. Click where you want the pages to appear, then paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Canva will insert all copied pages directly into the second document. From here, you can drag pages to rearrange them, delete extras, or edit anything as needed. That is it. You have successfully combined two Canva documents into one without exporting or reformatting. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.